Deepanshu Pathak, and today I'm here to tell you something about the topic database administrator. But firstly, before jumping to the topic, we should have some basic knowledge about what a DBMS is. So, the DBMS stands for Database Management System. It is a system software for creating and managing the databases. It allows the user to create, read, update, and delete their data present in the databases. Many a times we have heard of several IT companies who have special opening for the database administrator. So the question arises is what a database administrator is. So a database administrator is a specialized computer system administrator who maintains a successful database environment by performing all the activities in order to keep the data safe. The top responsibility of a database administrator is to maintain the data integrity, that is, to save the data from any kind of unauthorized access and still making the data available to all of its users. There are 5 types of database administrator: Administrative DBA, Development DBA, Database Architect, Data Warehouse DBA, and Application DBA. The first one is Administrative DBA. Administrative DBA is mainly concerned with installing and maintaining the DBMS servers. His prime tasks are installing backups, recovery, security, replications, memory management, and tuning. He is mainly responsible for all administrative tasks of a database. The next one is Development DBA. The Development Database Administrator is responsible for creating queries and procedure for the requirement. Basically, his task is similar to any database developer. The next database administrator is Database Architect. The Database Architect is responsible for creating and maintaining the users, roles, access rights, tables, views, constraints, and indexes as well. He is mainly responsible for designing the structure of the database depending on the requirement. These structures will be used by developers and the DBA to code. The next one is Data Warehouse Database Administrator. The Data Warehouse Database Administrator should be able to maintain the data and procedures from various sources in the data warehouse. These sources can be files, COBOL, or any other programs. Here data and programs will be from different sources. A good database administrator should be able to keep the performance and function levels from these sources at same pace to make the data warehouse to work. The next database administrator is the Application Database Administrator. He acts like a bridge between the application program and the database. He makes sure all the application program is optimized to interact with the database. This database administrator ensures all the activities from installing, upgrading, patching, maintaining, backup, recovery to executing the record works without any issues. There are many roles and responsibilities of a database administrator. Some of them are software installation and maintenance, design and implementation, specialized data handling, database backup and recovery, security, authentication, performance monitoring, database tuning, and troubleshooting. First one is software installation and maintenance. A database administrator often collaborates on the initial installation and configuration of a new database. The system administrator sets up the hardware and deploys the operating system for the database server. Then, the database administrator installs the database software and configures it for use. As updates and patches are required, the database administrator handles this ongoing maintenance. And if a new server is needed, the database administrator handles the transfer of data from the existing system to a new platform. Next one is design and implementation. Designing the database and implementing is also a database administrator's responsibility. He should be able to decide proper memory management, file organizations, error handling, log maintenance for the database. Next one is specialized data handling. Today's database can be massive and may contain unstructured data types such as images, documents, or sound and video files. Managing a very large database may require higher level skills and additional monitoring and tuning to maintain efficiency. Next one is database backup and recovery. The database administrators create backup and recovery plans and procedures based on industry best practices, then make sure that the necessary steps are followed. Backups cost time and money, so the database administrator may have to persuade management to take the necessary precautions to preserve the data. In case of server failure or other forms of data loss, the database administrator will use existing backup to restore the lost information to the system. Different types of failure may require different recovery strategies, and the database administrator must be prepared for any eventuality. Next is security. A database administrator needs to know potential weakness of the database software and the company's overall system and work to minimize risk. No system is 100% immune to attacks, but implementing best practices can minimize the risk. Next is authentication. Setting up employee access is an important aspect of database security. The database administrator controls who has access and what type of access they are allowed. For instance, a user may have permission to see only certain pieces of information, or they may be denied the ability to make changes to the system. Next one is performance monitoring. Monitoring databases for the performance issues is part of the ongoing system maintenance a database administrator performs. If some part of system is slowing down the processing, the database administrator may need to make configuration changes to the software or add additional hardware capacity. Next one is database tuning. Performance monitoring shows where the database should be tweaked to operate as efficiently as possible. The physical configuration, the way database is indexed, and how queries are handled can all have a dramatic effect on database performance. Next one is troubleshooting. Database administrators are on call for troubleshooting in case of any problems. Whether they need to quickly restore lost data or correct an issue to minimize damage, a database administrator needs to quickly understand and respond to problems when they occur. I hope I was able to explain the topic database administrator properly. Thank you for watching.